What's up, LC? I'm Jimmy LaFakis.
And I'm Rob Pollock.
And we are back and better than ever with your sports update for Tuesday, March 3rd, 2015. Rob is a special guest because he is a budding athletic trainer. So walk us through some of your duties during a game.
Well, Jimmy, I give out the water. Sometimes I'll clean up blood, depending how rough the game is. Usually I hand out towels, too, to wipe down the sweat.
That's crazy, man. What made you want to pursue a career in sports medicine?
I've had so many injuries the last 3 years from playing football. I knew that I grew because of all the people that helped me, so I just wanted to be there for someone else.
Very nice, giving back. So your Indiana State sweatshirt on?
Yeah.
Why'd you pick the Sycamores?
I picked the Sycamores because they have one of the largest outreach alumni networks for athletic training, and that's really what I wanted to do.
Great. Best of luck to you. I know Rob will be busy tonight during the boys sectionals game. It was senior night against South Bend Adams last Friday, and Art Kimber was on the scene. Let's check out the highlights.
Truthly Beats. Purchase your tracks today.
Great win, boys. You excited for the game tonight?
Oh, you bet.
Cool. The swimmers and divers also had some great success at state. Alex Morgan placed 12th in diving, Connor Homans placed 6th in the 50th free, and Josh Barajas placed 11th in the 200 IM. We also wish the best of luck to our gymnastics team as they head to Chesterton for sectionals on Saturday.
Go get them.
And remember, today will never come again. Be a friend, encourage someone, and let your words heal. Peace and much love, Jimmy and Rob.